Ahoy friends! Welcome aboard to today's video. Today we're going to be going on a little nature walk / scavenger hunt. So in this video we're going to go, you can walk through your backyard. Here we're in the great coniferous forest of Spirit in the Pines. We're going to go on a little adventure here. Today I want to challenge you to find 3 things. I'm going to challenge you to find something, 1, that represents yourself, 2, something that reminds you of God, and 3, something you just find really cool. So take a walk with us, and here we go. For something that represents me, I found this really cool fern. It's adventurous, fun-loving, and it's just really green and bright, like my personality. Wow, this pine cone really reminds me of God. Just seeing this beautiful creation, and pine cone represents new lives for pine trees. Just like how God has created us and just loves us so much that He gives us new life through Jesus Christ. Look at this big log! Isn't this cool? It doesn't make a very good walking stick though. Well, thanks for joining us on this nature walk. I hope that you had a great time, a nice relaxing time. You got to find some cool stuff in nature. We'll see you in the next one.
Hi, I'm Camping Ministry Coordinator Burke Hanser. The videos you've watched have been brought to you by Spirit in the Pines Camp, an outreach ministry of St. Andrew Lutheran Church, Eden Prairie, Minnesota. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.